Phrasal verbs are very common in English. Today we learn about find out. Find out means to discover information or learn a fact that you did not know before. You use this when you get new information from reading, listening, or asking questions. Here are simple examples. I found out the truth yesterday means I discovered what really happened. She will find out about the surprise means she discovers the secret plan. How did you find out his secret means how did you learn his hidden information? Find out has similar words. Discover means the same, I discovered the truth. Learn also works, she learned about the plan. Realize fits too, he realized his mistake. All these words mean getting new information. In conversations, find out often comes in questions and answers. Ask how can I find out the result? Say I will find out the answer and tell you. In past tense, we found out the truth later. Use find out when information comes from reading, listening, asking, or observing. In daily life, I found out my company is closing means I learned bad news about work. She found out he was cheating means she discovered his lie. Can you find out the train times means please check the schedule for me. Find out is separable. Both are correct, I found out the truth or found the truth out. With pronouns, always use middle position, I found it out, never found out it. Long objects can go middle or end position, but short pronouns must go in the middle. Find out equals discover, learn, realize, or ascertain. Find out sounds natural in conversation. Discover and learn work in writing too. Realize means you understand something suddenly. Ascertain is very formal for official situations. Practice these sentences. Did you find out what time the movie starts means did you check the schedule? Please find out if the restaurant is open today means please call and check. We finally found out why she was late means we discovered the reason.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.